Hi, thanks for joining a new video. Today we'll explore the LG QNED Evo AI QNED86 100-inch. Let's begin. This is a screen that truly comes to redefine the entire concept of what it means to have a home theater system. It is an integral part of the new generation known as QNED Evo. This family is further complemented by the QNED Evo AI QNED9M, which is completely wireless, as well as the QNED Evo AI QNED92. So there are multiple options available to choose from, but let's take a moment to focus on this particular model specifically. The first thing that really jumps out is the ultra-large size of 100 inches. It's evident right from the moment you start setting up the TV and attempt to move the box because it's truly enormous. This marks the first occasion LG is providing a TV of this magnitude in the QEVO line, and it is indeed quite imposing. As I mentioned during the unboxing and installation process, it becomes apparent that this is a product requiring multiple people to successfully move it and set it up. To give you an idea, the TV measures over 2 meters wide by 7 meters high, with a thickness of just 5 centimeters without considering the base. And when we talk about the weight it can support, it's at 65 kilograms. However, once you add the base, it increases to just over 75 kilograms. To help you visualize, here's a comparison with a 75-inch TV, which is already a large size by many standards. But this 100-inch model is truly gigantic. In the package, you'll find a tabletop installation base included. Additionally, LG offers the option to mount it on the wall using the VESA 600 by 400 standard. This feature is perfect for those looking to enhance their home theater experience. I mounted it on the wall and it looked amazing. But more than the numbers, the viewing experience is what counts. A TV this size turns any room into a theater. The cinema design with ultra-thin bezels enhances this by making the image seem to float as there's no noticeable frame. Now, let's discuss the picture quality and the processing that this TV performs. This QNED Evo model incorporates dynamic QNED color, which is an advanced white color gamma technology created by LG. The outcome is colors that are much more vibrant, rich, and accurate. It is certified with a 100% color volume, indicating that every hue is reproduced with high fidelity, even in the most challenging viewing environments. This is particularly true in scenes that are either extremely bright or extremely dark. Unlike other televisions, which might have more difficulty rendering colors accurately, in very low light situations, this TV excels in maintaining precise color accuracy, even in such challenging lighting conditions. Mini-LED technology provides backlighting, and its dimming ability creates sharp contrast. Picture a night scene with city lights. This tech keeps blacks deep while lights stay detailed, avoiding washout or dark area invasion. Moreover, precision dimming tech controls light more precisely, enhancing HDR effectiveness. This is key in movies especially, though also perhaps if you like to watch sports or play video games, because it ensures that fine details are not lost. It's powered by a new AI processor that recognizes the genre of the content. That is, it knows when you're watching a movie, or a soccer match, or a video game, and will adjust the settings automatically to optimize every detail. With AI Picture Pro, each and every frame is meticulously analyzed to enhance resolution, brightness, depth, and clarity by applying advanced artificial intelligence overscaling techniques. However, if you're a movie enthusiast and you prefer a tonality that is precisely as the filmmakers envisioned, it's important to mention that it seamlessly integrates both Dolby Vision and Filmmaker mode. This combination automatically adjusts the image and the lighting of the environment, ensuring it remains as true as possible to the director's original vision. This combination, together with the 100-inch screen size and the immersive Dolby Atmos sound, effectively transforms any room into what can be considered practically a home theater experience. Therefore, that's the aspect that will be most appealing to people. Let's discuss sound, as this screen needs matching audio. The TV has AI Sound Pro, creating a surround effect with virtual channels 9.1.2. Even without many speakers, AI processes audio to offer an immersive experience surrounding you from all directions. Additionally, it supports Dolby Atmos, enhancing the experience. To complement it, the ideal choice is the LG S95TR soundbar. Key features like Wow Orchestra combine TV and bar sound for a powerful stage. Wow Interface lets you control the soundbar from the TV, needing just one controller. Wowcast allows wireless streaming with minimal latency, reducing wires. There's also the Synergy stand, which enables you to position the soundbar directly beneath the screen, ensuring a flawless style along with enhanced acoustics. Of course, you can purchase both the bar and the stand separately, yet I believe they truly complete the experience in an excellent way. Nonetheless, why not take a moment to listen to a sound check of the speakers that are integrated into the TV? But remember, it's not the same as hearing it live.
En esta ocasión tengo conmigo esta bocinota tremenda de LG. Vamos a hacer un review completo para conocerla a fondo. Hay que comenzar. El modelo es la serie X-Boom, específicamente XL7S. Bocina de grandes dimensiones. Realmente una propuesta muy interesante para los que les gusta la fiesta, el escándalo. Voy a ir contando poco a poco todo lo que trae, pero creo que casi nada le hace falta. Pero punto a punto de describirla, ¿qué te parece si te cuento en dónde la puedes adquirir? Está mismo.
Now let's talk a bit about the experience and control, because a key point of the TV is the AI Magic Remote, which now includes a dedicated AI button. This control works like an air mouse-like pointer, so you point and click and move the cursor on screen in a very intuitive way, as if it were a mouse on your computer. In addition, the TV recognizes your voice median. Voice ID, which means it has the capability to identify the speaker and automatically adjust the user profile accordingly. Then you have the convenience of a very handy remote control and also the voice controls, which also identify you. This is complemented by AI with search, which recommends content even before you search for it to give you some suggestions. It also integrates search, which answers questions about both content and information in general, and AI chatbot, which will help you with technical support to receive. I can solve problems or configuration doubts without the need to navigate through the whole system. Additionally, the TV incorporates AI Picture Wizard and AI Sound Wizard. This means the TV analyzes millions of potential combinations to tailor the picture and sound to suit your personal preferences. It adjusts all settings automatically after you complete a brief interactive questionnaire. Therefore, I believe it offers a range of tools that enhance the user experience in a very effective way. Let's discuss WebOS 25 with the WebOS Renew program, ensuring up to 5 years of updates, including security enhancements. New features and apps, which will extend the life of the TV, ensuring it remains relevant and doesn't become obsolete anytime soon. Of course, getting updates for 5 years doesn't guarantee it will function perfectly for 5 years, but it does mean that in 5 years it will receive its final update, thereby providing it with a significantly longer lifespan. This operating system additionally provides integration with various services, including Google Home and Apple HomeKit. It also supports AirPlay 2 and Google Cast, which means you can effortlessly stream content from your iPhone, Android device, tablet, or PC without any wires. Moreover, there are features like multi-view, enabling you to divide the screen into 2 sections to watch different content simultaneously, or LG channels offering free access to live and on-demand channels, no set-top box or contract needed. And no set-top boxes, no contracts, and nothing like that. Additionally, it is compatible with the Matter standard, which allows it to be integrated into a comprehensive ecosystem of smart hunting. I believe it is well equipped in every aspect of the operating system. For gaming enthusiasts, the TV includes a game portal that provides easy access to cloud services like GeForce Now, Amazon Luna, or Xbox. Furthermore, it supports 144Hz VRR and AMD FreeSync Premium, which ensures smooth and seamless gameplay if you own a console, with no ghosting or any of those issues. Additionally, it encompasses various other technologies aimed at optimizing latency and enhancing HDR specifically for gaming purposes. Therefore, whether you are among the most demanding gamers who own a console to fully immerse themselves in the ultimate gaming experience, or if you fall into the category of more casual gamers who simply enjoy playing good games via cloud gaming services, you are assured an outstanding experience in both scenarios. In conclusion, this is not only the largest screen of the QNED Evo line, perfect for cinema, it also the best of LG's innovations in color, artificial intelligence processor, excellent sound and ecosystem. Its cinema design, plus its smart features and integration with other devices, make it an ideal choice for those looking for a premium experience of a huge size who do not want to use OLED technology. And if you want to explore more options within the same line, the QNED92 and QNED9M are also available, each with features that adapt to different spaces and needs, but it is clear that they will give you an excellent experience. For the moment, this has been all.